Good afternoon, reception. It's time for a little bit of maths. We are carrying on the topic of growing 6, 7 and 8. So, first of all, before we do anything today, we're going to play a little game. Now, last week you thought about pairs and whether two things were a pair or not. If something's a pair, they need to be the same. So I'm looking for two things that show the same number and you're going to tell me whether they're a pair or not. Let me see what I've got down here. Okay. I have some cubes. How many cubes do I have? That's right. I've got 6 cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes. Now, I've also got a playing card. I wonder if this playing card is going to be a pair with the number 6. Let's have a look. How many is this playing card showing? That's right, it's a 6 of diamonds. I know that because of two things. The number 6 is in the corner. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're a pair. Can you say pair? Pair. 6. Okay, I'm going to put them over here. They're a pair. Let's see if we can find another pair. Okay. Ooh. I've got my number card 8 that I show you at school. You will say 8. Excellent. This is the number 8. I go round and up again. The number 8. We've then got a domino. A domino. Let's see how many spots are on the domino. How many spots are on the domino? We've got 4 at the top and 3 at the bottom. If we add them all together, we've got 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not a pair. This is 8. This is 7. I'm going to put them back. We're not going to keep them. Okay, let's pick something else. Let's try a different number card and a different domino. This time I've got the number 6. Excellent. I've got the number 6 and it's showing me all the different ways I can make 6. And then I've got a domino with 2 sets of 3s on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, they're a pair. They make 6. I'm going to put them over here. Let's see what we can find. I've got a stick of cubes. They're a bit trickier to count because they're in a long line. Can you count them for me? Excellent job. There's 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's have a go. I'm looking at another playing card. What's this one? That's right, that's number 7. We've got 7 in the corner and we've got 7 halves. They're a pair. They're both 7. We found lots of pairs. Well done. We found 2 pairs of 6 and we found a pair of 7 as well. Now, today we're going to be measuring height. So we're going to be using our measuring skills. And I know you've already been practicing that earlier on in the week. Now, after this lesson, you will see that I'm going to post a sheet where you can record your measuring today. But you don't need to use that sheet, and I'm not going to use that sheet. But you can if you want to, if you want a bit of help. So, I'm going to make a little grid. You know, going to draw a line down the middle, and I'm going to go across and across and across. I'm going to measure 4 things, and over here I'm going to write what height each of them were. So the first thing I'm going to measure is a bottle. So I'm going to write bottle. I'm going to measure a bottle. I use my basket. Put that up there. Excellent. So I'm going to measure my bottle. Here's my bottle. Now, I'm not going to use a ruler to measure. This is a ruler. This is what lots of people use to measure with. And we use it to measure in centimetres, usually in millimetres. You can get the really big long ones where you measure in metres. But we're not going to use this today. If you want to have a go at using a ruler at home, have a go. It's really fun to try and use. But today, we're going to use non-standard measurements. We're going to use cubes. Now, if you don't have these cubes at home, you could use Lego, you can use Mega Blocks, you can use wooden cubes, or you can even just use some boxes around the house, or you can stack toilet rolls, or you could stack, I'm sure you could stack lots of different things in your house. So have a look around and find something that you can stack up. Okay, I'm just going to be measuring little things today, so I just wanted little cubes. Now we're going to measure how tall my bottle is. Now I'm not going to start halfway up. I'm going to start right at the bottom. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoosh! 5. Maybe that's not going to work. Let's see if I can. Oh dear, it's not going to hold. There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got to get us a bit. 10, 11. Yes, look, they're the same height. They're about the same height. Yep. My bottle is 11 cubes tall. 11. Can you see blue tack to hold my ball still? That should hold it still. That's it. So my bottle is 11. So I'm going to write 11 here. 11. There you go. Now I've measured my bottle. I'm going to measure my cup and see if my cup is taller or shorter. Do you think my cup's taller or shorter than my bottle? It's going to be shorter, isn't it? So do we think the number is going to be bigger or smaller? It's going to be smaller, isn't it? The number is not going to take 11 cubes to get to the top of here. I wonder what it's going to be. So let's write cup. Up. Cup. Let's measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yes, it's about 4 cubes tall. It's 4 cubes tall. So I'm going to write 4 on my board here. The cup is 4 cubes tall. Right. Now I'm going to measure. So I've got my cup. I've got my bottle. Now I'm going to measure. Put some blue tack on the bottom so it stands up for me. I've got a pencil. Put it back here so you can see. Let's see. Looks taller than my cup, doesn't it? But it looks smaller than my bottle. I wonder how many cubes it's going to be. It's not going to be as big as the bottle, but it's not as small as the cup. I'm going to guess it's going to be 8 cubes tall. What do you think? That's a good number. I think you might be right. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I going to be right? 8. Oh, there's one more. It's 9. If you guessed 9, you got it right. That's the same height as my pencil. 9 cubes tall is my pencil. I'll put that over here. That's it. So I'm going to write pencil is 9 cubes tall. Right, last one. Are you ready? And it's a book. Book, well done. A book. How many cubes tall do you think my book is going to be? You can't see my book. I better show you my book. Oh, it's a heavy book. Oh, gosh, it's a big book. Oh, that's right. I think it's going to be even taller than the bottle. Look, it's so tall. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you guessed how many you think it's going to be? This is 5, so it's going to be bigger than 5. It's bigger than the bottle. Do we think 15 maybe? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cubes tall. 14 cubes tall. That's the tallest thing on my table, is the book. Now don't you start falling over as well, book. Cool. 14 cubes tall. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to choose 4 things around your house, or even more. You might not have these cubes at home, so maybe use Lego bricks or anything else. Even if you stack pillows on top of each other, how many pillows tall is something? How tall is the table? Maybe you could find out how tall you are in bricks. I can't wait to see what you decide to measure. Don't forget you can use your number line to help you with writing your numbers and getting your numbers around the right way. Good luck. Look forward to seeing your maths work. Bye.